Here I've got Apple iPhone 12 Pro, and let me show you how to check total screen time on the following device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then reach screen time, and now select see all activity. And here we've got it. Here we've got most used apps, and below you will find the notifications. You can smoothly check the time spent on each app. For example, settings been in use just for 34 seconds today, but it will show you like all the action done on this Apple iPhone. And this is it. This is how you can check it. Obviously you can pick the day on which you would like to find the details, and that would be all. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.